Hi there, I'm Farmer Dave, and we're here at my place in Dracut with my greenhouse that you can see here. Beginning of February, and there's plenty of snow on the ground, but we're now growing in the greenhouse. And you can see some of our share boxes over there. We'll be offering our CSA shares beginning at the end of March. Right now, that's a little bit of product that's going to be going out to a farmer's market tomorrow morning. But I thought I'd bring you inside the greenhouse and you can see what we're seeding for the CSA share and how we seed it. So come on in and check it out. So we have these benches here that we've filled with soil, and we just started seeding yesterday. So once all the benches have been seeded, we're going to come through and start watering them. Outside it's right about 30 degrees now, and inside with the door closed and the bright sunshine, it's about 60-65. At night obviously it's going to cool down. So we're planting a lot of crops that will take the cold temperatures well, so that this won't require a lot of heat. It'll just get get a lot of heat from the sun. We will put a little heat into here at night just to keep it above freezing though. So here on these benches we've got some tatsoi that's seeded, and here we've got some arugula. This is yet to be seeded. We've got a lettuce mix here, and these benches are also rollable, so we can actually push them out of the way and be able to get right down here to seed and water and care for them, and then later we'll be harvesting them from here. So you can see we can easily reach to half the middle of that bench. We can easily reach to the middle of this bench. If we want to get over there, something's stuck. If we want to get over here, just push that bench out of the way, move right in, so on and so forth. Here on this bench we've got dill. This one is cilantro. Here we have two different types of radishes. We have the Davignon French breakfast radish, and we also have some Easter egg radish. We've got some another variety of the traditional red radish. This is our small simple seeder right here. So you can see we're using this to seed the radishes. It seeds 4 rows at a time, and you just pull it backwards and it drops the seed right into those channels, and then you gently cover it up after. So it's simple as that. Down here we've got some Joy Choy, and we're going to be seeding a lot more lettuce mixes. We're going to be seeding some brassica braising mixes, which will be a mixture of several different items. There'll be some red Russian kale, komatsuna, tatsoi, and a couple of other items in that mix. The lettuce mix usually has about 5 or 6 different types of lettuce in it that we'll be harvesting as a baby lettuce about this big. And what else do we have down here? This is already seeded with Joy Choy. Another variety of lettuce mix, and some more arugula. I find that on the south side of the greenhouse, because of the sun, things tend to grow a little bit faster than on the right north side. So we're seeding things, one bench on this side and one bench on that side, knowing that this is going to be, ready to harvest, 5 to 7 days before this, which is perfect. 1 week we'll harvest this bench, the next week we'll be harvesting this bench. By the time we get to April, things are, growing so fast from the heat of the sun, we'll be coming back to harvest this again, and then back and forth, until we get to the middle of April, when we'll start harvesting items out of the field. By the end of February we'll be seeding several things in the greenhouse, such as tatsoi, beets, spinach, cilantro, dill, and many other things that we're going to start in as transplants in the greenhouse, to then transplant into the field at the beginning of April, cover up with some frost protection, and we'll be harvesting those items that were started in the greenhouse in late February, transplanted into the field the beginning of April, and then harvested by the end of April. And then we'll go through with those same crops in the month of May until we begin the main season CSA in June. So that's what we're up to here at the beginning of February at Farmer Dave's, and thanks for listening.